Hi, my name is Tisha Agarwal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, you can go refer to my very first long format video. I've answered all questions about myself there. And the very second long format video was my birthday vlog. And if you all have seen that, you all know that my parents and friends did 21 gifts for my 21st birthday. I'm here to share all of those 21 gifts with you and how happy they made me and what sentiment each holds. I'm also going to continue and show you all the individual gifts all my other friends got me. So come along. My very first gift was a credit card. I've been waiting for it for I don't know how long, and I was so happy that I finally got one. I can finally spend my adult money. Actually, this credit card is linked to my dad's account, so it's my dad's money. But my second gift was the Dior lip oil, and my mom got it a few days back, and I literally yelled at her that how can you get yourself one and not me? And little did I know that I was getting this in my gift. I love it. Like, it's one of my favorite lip oils. She got it in such a beautiful shade. It's the exact shade I wanted. Like, it's perfect for my lips. And the next one are these Akiko pouches. I really wanted makeup pouches because mine had actually gone very yellow. Like, this is the VS one, and I don't know if y'all can see it, but like it's pretty like dull now. So I wanted new ones, and I got these Akiko ones, and I'm so excited to use them. Okay, so the next one has a little backstory to it. I have a Stanley. Yes, I'm a basic girl. I love my Stanley. But this Stanley is actually 800 ml, and I got it because the big ones are really heavy to carry outside if you need to. But this water used to be really less at night when I used to sleep and I wanted to consume water. I couldn't because this used to get over really fast. So my mom got me a bottle which was customized, and it blew my mind because it's the same color as this. I'm going to show you. Wait. Guys, it's the same. The color is the freaking same. And my name over here. Okay, so the next gift is a candle. I wanted a candle ever since this one got over. So I wanted a candle, and my mom got me the most beautiful candle ever. It's from this brand. I don't know if you can see it. Let's unbox it together. Actually, I won't lie, I've seen the candle before. It's so pretty. Like, I can put this on my vanity and it's gonna elevate the look so much. Next up is the VS pajama set. It's the OG pink one, and I've literally been wanting this for like almost 2-3 years now. Then I got these flats. I've been waiting for flats since a very long time because most of mine were thrown away recently because they had gotten spoiled. I'm very careless like that. But come, let's unbox it. It's so pretty. I also got a scarf from Aldo. I'm just gonna show it to you all. It is so pretty. Then my mom got me a brooch. It's an Evil Eye from Rap Game India, and it's one of the most prettiest brooches I've ever seen. I don't know if you can figure, but like it has a pink heart in the middle and it's so pretty. Next up is this magnetic iPad cover, and I just love it. It's so pretty. It's from Daily Objects in case any of y'all want it. And this iPad that I have is an iPad mini. I don't use it much. It's generally only used when I have to watch movies or stuff like that because I feel like laptops can get really heavy. Then I got this RGB light from Digitech, which is so helpful for me. The lighting that you're seeing, I actually already have a face light right there, but this one is much better in quality and I can't wait to use it. Next up is the Elizabeth Arden perfume. I literally breathe this perfume, and for proof, I've kept my empty bottle for you. Like, literally. And the bottle is also so pretty. Next up is a cute mini heart sling bag. It has a crossbody inside it, which I'm going to attach later. And it's magnetic, so it becomes very hassle free. It's also like really useful for me because there are a few days where I just want to carry like my card and my AirPods and like be on the go. So I feel like this one's going to be really helpful for that, and I love it. It's so cute. Then I got this travel pouch. It's damn cute. My dad gave this amongst the 21 gifts, and it's like for your wires and chargers, and it's so thoughtful because I keep complaining to him about how my bag is clogged with wires and why I can't remove my passport or Aadhaar card in time at the check-in counter. Then I got this Valentino perfume, and I've actually been wanting this perfume since a very long time. How pretty is this bottle? Oh my god. I love it. The next gift comes in the top 5 of my favorites in the 21, and that's the Kodak Pix Pro FZ55. It's so pretty. I've actually unboxed it because I used it for my birthday, but it's so pretty. With this, I got the charger and the memory. No, I didn't get the memory card, I got the battery. The next gift is this beauty hairband set. Basically, it comes all the way up till here. And when you're washing your face, it doesn't go onto your hair. And these two are meant for your hands so that the water doesn't drizzle all the way down. It's so thoughtful, and I've actually been wanting this since like months. And I've been like on my mom's head to order it. I think she was just waiting for my birthday to get it for me. This too comes in the top 5 of my 21 gifts, and they are the Pandora charms. I had the Pandora bracelet since last year, and this has only one charm. I'm just gonna show it to you. Yeah, it has only one charm, and I wanted to fill it up, and I got 2 more charms and 1 ring. So this is the ring. I actually haven't unboxed it yet, but it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see these charms, but one's a Hamza and the other one is an evil eye. I love evil eye and I really believe in Nazar, so these ones are very thoughtful. Next up is a jewelry tray. Everybody who knows me knows I'm obsessed with my vanity and overly possessive about it, and I'm always thinking about ways to, you know, decorate it, which is why this jewelry tray is so thoughtful and it's just so pretty. Like, just look at how pretty this is. I can hang my necklaces here, I can keep my rings here, I can hang my earrings here, and it's gonna look so pretty and aesthetic. The next gift is also for my room. So my entire room is actually painted white, so whenever I put like a bottle or a water of glass down, it tends to leave a mark on the surface which might actually spoil it, which I don't want, of course. So I wanted coasters, so they got me the resin art coaster kit, and I can't wait to, like, you know, do it. Like, it's gonna be completely customized by me, and this also gives me a new thing to do in my free time, and I'm just so excited and happy about it. Finally, the last and the 21st gift was this keychain with my name on it. I actually have my cupboard keys, so I can put this on that, and someday soon I will own a car and I will have this on that car key. And this marks the end of my 21 gifts. These gifts were given to me by my brother, my parents, my boyfriend, and my best friend, and each gift was so thought through. Like, I was so overwhelmed when I got them, and I still am overwhelmed. Like, I just don't know with what words should I say thank you, or like I just don't know how to feel, you know. It's just like so overwhelming for me. But now let's come back to all the individual gifts I got from all my other friends, and I'm gonna make this like really quick. Next up is this Carolina Herrera perfume. I got this from my favorite set of twins. They're one of my closest friends, and I'm just so happy about it because I love the bottle, I love the scent. And one of my best friends gave me this Zara X Jo Malone perfume and this candle. Another one of my best friends got me this Charles & Keith bag. How pretty is this bag? And it's like the perfect fall bag to ever exist. It's, I think, mulberry red and or wine red, I'm not sure, but like it's so pretty. I just love it. And I got these earrings from my bua from Swarovski. I'm actually wearing them. I couldn't wait to unbox it, but this is how they look. The next gift defines my bond with my long distance best friend, and she sent it for me because she couldn't be here, sadly, because her exams are coming up, and it's the prettiest and cutest gift I've ever gotten. It has a cute little bouquet. It has a book which has like photos of us in it. Then she got me 21 Polaroids because it was my 21st birthday. There was also this card in an envelope, and it's so cute. When I open it, there are photos of us, and when I pull this out, there's happy birthday, and there are few Polaroids and pictures of us behind it. Now for the last gift, I've literally kept this for the last because it was the best gift I've ever gotten. And this made me cry happy tears on my birthday. It was the first time I did not mind crying because this just overwhelmed me so much that I really cannot explain it in words. My best friend, she gave me this newspaper, and that's my baby photo. It has everything. It has like all my photos from childhood. It has whatever I did this year, whatever I achieved this year, my messages from my loved ones, 21 things everybody loves about me, 21 top moments of my life. It has a crossword that I have to fill, and where all I've traveled, and the tea list, everything I'm obsessed with. I just don't know how to tell you all how loved I felt when I got this. It's truly amazing, and truly like I just don't know, like even speaking about it right now is making me teary-eyed because I feel so loved. And now before I start crying again, this marks the end of this video. If you guys liked it and want more of this, comment down below, like this video, and do please subscribe. Love y'all, see y'all soon.